Decoration ideas from waste material. At first, rope ottoman using a tire. Wow, it looks amazing. Shoebox to storage box, and it turns very useful product. Table lamp using egg tray, and it turns fabulous. You can try this. Now jewelry organizer using an old frame. Wow, it's very unique and useful, very creative. Mirror frame from egg carton. Nice, very creative thing. Candle holder using glass jar. Fabulous. Nice creativity. And the next is jar pencil holder. And I know it turns very cute and beautiful. I know. The next is tire flower pot. I know it's my favorite. It is very fabulous, unique and marvelous. Plastic spoon lamp, and it is too much beautiful. Nice. The next is tire umbrella stand, so it turns unique. Nice. The next is clock using cardboard, so this is very unique idea. From this to this you can see. The third is spoon stand from cardboard. Rope storage box, it's my favorite hobby. Storage boxes are very important. Tire mirror frame. Tire mirror frame also turns very beautiful. The next is vertical garden using plastic bottles. It looks amazing, fantastic and eye-catching. The next is used cans to make garden pots. It's adorable. I don't know about you, but for me, gardening is a therapy. Therapy of my soul and everything. Bottle cap, wind chime. It turns amazing, very nice. You can save your time. DIY lamp shade for balcony. It's very unique, very unique by using ice cream sticks and many other things. String lights using paper cups. It's very cute, believe me. Plastic spoon garden markers. It's also my favorite. Gardening is my passion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and please appreciate my efforts.